Hi everyone, today I'm going to explain fluid typography. The basis of fluid typography is the new VW CSS unit of measure. 1 VW equals 1% of the viewport width. This allows us to set the font size as a percent of the viewport width, so the text will scale with the viewport. Set everything in VWs, font size, widths, heights, margins, paddings, positions, etc., and you get a website that is fully fluid. The entire layout scales with the viewport width, as if you were zooming in and out of a Photoshop file. But it's hard to think in terms of VWs, and it's tedious to calculate all those values. A SAS function could calculate all those values for us. Let's look at what that SAS function would look like. We know 1 VW equals 1% of the viewport width, or in other words, 1% of our layout. So we can write the equation 1 VW equals layout width divided by 100. We can convert that to 100 VWs divided by layout equals 1. And as we know, anything multiplied by 1 is still the same value. So we take our pixel value and multiply it by 100 VWs divided by layout. So now we've got the pixel value we want divided by the layout width in pixels. The pixels cancel out and then multiply by 100 VWs, and we get the VW value equivalent of our original pixel value. We can put that into a SAS function as such. Okay, that's great, but wait, there's more. Now you have to redeclare every single VW value for every layout. That's time consuming. What if I told you there was an easier way? Instead, set the root font size in VWs and set everything else in REMs. Then reset the root font size at each layout breakpoint. We can also write a SAS function to make setting everything in REMs easier. We know the pixel equivalent of the root font size that we set, so we can easily calculate the REM value by dividing by the root font size. So our SAS function would look something like this. So now we've got a SAS function to convert pixels to VWs and a SAS function to convert pixels to REMs. That's all we need. Use the pix to VW function on your root HTML element and reset it at each breakpoint. Then use the pix to REM function everywhere else. That's it. Thanks for watching, guys. If you like my video, don't forget to subscribe and give me a thumbs up. Comments are welcome. There's links in the comments to more resources for fluid typography. I hope to see you on my next video.